Hi everyone! Today I will be giving a speech on the importance of cyberbullying and how important it is to keep a good digital footprint throughout your life. With technology growing and expanding every day, cyberbullying is also becoming more popular in the school districts. According to an article written by a certain school district, more than 1/3 of teens have been cyberbullied before. Bullying means inflicting physical hurt or psychological stress on someone else. It can be better described as unwanted or repeated written, verbal, or even physical behavior. It can also include things such as teasing, a threat towards another individual, stalking, theft, or public humiliation. Many teachers have reported that cyberbullying is their number one safety concern for the students in their classroom. It is important to be smart about your digital footprint and stay as private as possible. Children who experience cyberbullying are more likely to experience suicidal thoughts and self-harm rather than someone who has not been through this. Since girls are more interested in social media rather than boys, they're more interested in video games and such, they are more likely to be a victim of cyberbullying. It's very important to not give out any personal information to people on the internet that you don't know in person. Digital drama is a phase that refers to abuse and violence in the world of technology. This occurs when children say bold things on the internet that they would never say in a face-to-face situation. Parents can help avoid this by observing their child's social media accounts and the things that they say to random people that find them on the internet. Or like if they pose as someone that they think they know. Many teenagers experience cyberbullying, but even kids as young as 11 to 12 can be a victim of this. They develop issues such as depression, social anxiety, or even an eating disorder, which these problems can affect you for the rest of your life. To avoid being a victim of cyberbullying, you can think before you post on the internet and don't talk to any strangers that you don't know.